Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi tutorial. This is Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to create an ebook download button or a read online button using the fantastic Divi Supreme modules. Really easy to do. So you've got an option to download it, download directly to your desktop here, or you can read it online. Mine's just got some code representing an ebook there. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable the Visual Builder. And let's go down and delete our little buttons here. Okay, so once you've got Divi Supreme installed, or Divi Supreme Pro, I'm going to hit the little plus button there. Divi as standard comes with all these light grey modules. When you add Supreme Pro, it gives you another 40 or so of these sort of purple buttons right here. And this really does create a great addition to the Divi theme. So today I'm going to use a Supreme button. There we go. Okay, let's move this out of the way. I've just got a row with 50-50, 2 columns. And I've just got a little blurb module there. I'm just simply adding the buttons underneath the blurb module. Button 1 text, let's say download. And button 2 text, as you can see it's in there. Let's say read now. Or whatever it is you want to say. Okay, now for the links, we'll just pop down to the links here. Button 1, I want this to be a download link. Download file, and it's asking you to upload a file. Now I already got mine uploaded. If you had not got it uploaded, just simply drag your file across, your ebook or whatever it is you want them to download. Select the file you want and hit the upload a file button. Great. Now you can have this open in a separate window if you want a fallback, but I'm going to leave mine just like that. I don't want to use the tooltip. Let's move on to button 2. Selected button 2. And this one I'm going to leave as a URL link, which will open the PDF in a new tab. So what I need to do is go to my media library. Got my media library open here. Click on the ebook or the file that you wanted them to be able to preview if it's a PDF. And copy the link. Now we can go back and simply put the link in there. And I want this to open in a new tab, so I'm going to say in a new tab. That's great. So our buttons are pretty much set up now. We'll just do a little bit of simple decoration on it. This is going to be a pretty quick video. I'm going to go to my design. I want my buttons to be in the middle. Let's go to button 1, use custom styles. Text size is fine, text color I'm going to make white. Background I'm going to make purple. And on hover, if you want to set the hover state for it, just hit the little arrow. If they're not there, just hover over the dark legending there, hit the little arrow. And you can set a hover state. Let's make it blue on hover. That's fine. And I don't want a border on it, so I'm going to go down, take that to 0, and last but not least I'm just going to take the little icon off. Don't want a little icon. Great. So let's do button number 2, which should be just underneath. There we go. Use custom styles, and for this one text color we'll keep as white. Background, let's make it green. Hover state, we'll make it red perhaps. And again, I want to take the border off, and I don't want an icon on there. Now you can leave the border on, but just remember to change the border color to match your background color, or however you like to style it. It's entirely up to you. And just want to go down and turn that off, and we're good to go. Let's save that. Okay, let's save our page changes. Save the draft or publish if you're ready. And exit the Visual Builder. Go down to where we were. And let's see, should download our file to our browser. Yeah, I'm using Google Chrome here. If you're using a different browser, it may download to a different location. And read now should open in a new tab, and let us read it online. There we go. There's my back to the top code. Okay, so very simple, very quick little video there. Another great little feature of the Divi Supreme modules. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.